Hey everyone, Sin City here, and welcome back to my channel. Well, your girl's here because she has a problem. So we are here for yet another unboxing. This time it's a little bit different though because, you know, with the new year, they have all those lucky bags. So of course, Kat Von D put out her own version. Kat Von D's Lucky Bag 2020 is what we are going to be opening up today. And also because I have no self-control, I already opened it. Again, full disclosure. It came in this box right here. And then opened up like that with all sorts of goodies. And I put them all in the bag for you. So this is the lucky bag. So it's got KVD there, and here it says go big or go home, which I think is the name of her new mascara. So let's see what's in here. Okay, first thing that I'm gonna reach in and grab is the big daddy item, which is her mirror. So it looks like this. It's got the stars on there, which is like the tattoos that she has on her face, if I am not mistaken. And then the back of the mirror looks like this. I'm gonna open it up real quick. This, I was able to restrain myself. I did not open any of the actual makeup items. I just, of course, had to see what was actually in the box. I believe that this mirror retails on her website for $30. That's pretty heavy duty. That's actually really nice. It's really solid. It's really sturdy. Cool. And next thing we got is the Alchemist palette, which I definitely already have. You guys saw me use this in the last Kat Von D video that I did. So I may give this in a giveaway. Yet to be decided. Next thing is Everlasting Glimmer Veil in the shade Dazzle. Now I'm actually not familiar with her Glimmer Veil formulas, so let's see what it looks like. Ooh. Well, the packaging looks like this. Ooh. 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 I got a little bit excited because this is such a pretty shade. It is really, really shimmery, glimmery, beautiful. In fact, I think I gotta put this on right now. Like, let's see how it looks on the lipstick I already have. It's really pretty. I would say that's got a little bit of a chemical-y taste, and it's a little more uncomfortable, but it might be just because I have it on another liquid lip. So we'll try that again later, but so far, actually really, really loving that. Next thing that we got is her Dagger Tattoo Liner. Now I actually did just receive this in my last BoxyCharm. So something else, well, you know, eyeliners, I run out of eyeliners so fast. This one I'll probably keep because I do actually really, really like it. I really do love her eyeliners. I think that is actually the thing that Kat Von D does better than anybody else. All right, the next thing we got in here is the Smoke and Mirrors Grays for Days. Is this lipstick? Grayscale Mini Lip Duo. It is lipstick. So It looks like it is 2 shades of gray. Oh, and a little sample of perfume in there. These are definitely mini. They look like this. This one looks like it's congealed a little bit. See that? How it's gotten a little dried out. Let's swatch it and see if it's still doing its job. Oh yeah, that is very, very gray. And this shade is called Dagger. This next one is called Wolf. Swatch that one for you. Ooh, that is a very, very dark gray. And this is lipstick, so this is one of those really kind of daring, fun shades. Got a really interesting color scheme going on there. Those are cool. I don't know if I'll get a whole lot of use out of them. Maybe I'll use them. Maybe I could use them for like eye looks or in the waterline. I don't know. The next thing in here, we got a number 4 powder and highlight brush. I have never used any of her brushes. I was supposed to get a foundation brush with my last purchase, Kat Von D. Didn't get it. And it actually still says on her website that that foundation comes with that foundation brush. So I'm a little salty about that. Emailed customer service. They did nothing. But let's see if this is any good. Didn't stop me from buying from her though, did it? It's a lot smaller than I expected. Let's get it out of here. Yeah, I don't know how to open anything. There we go. Not gonna lie, that feels pretty nice. It has her logo on the top there. It's pretty soft on here. It says number 4 right there. It's a really nice brush, actually. Very, very sleek and definitely something that I don't have anything like this in my collection so far. So let's see what else is in here. We got the highlighters. So, you know, of course, we got the highlighter brush. We got the highlighters. Gotta try this on. So this is her Metal Crush. I've actually never tried any of her highlighters. I just didn't have it in me to pay that much for any of her palettes. And honestly, I've heard that a lot of them are hit or miss. So, I mean, I'm glad to get this so I can try it out. This is her Metal Crush. Looks like this. The packaging is really cool. I think Bastion wants to wear some highlighter. I don't know how he knows. Every time I'm making a video, here he has. I have not seen him ever since I've been home from work. And then as soon as I'm filming, here he is. There he is. He looks like he's bored as heck, but don't let that fool you. He wanted to be here. On with the show. All right. So this is in the shade Gamma Ray, Helix, and Rose Shock. They look like this. They look really, really pretty, but they are really, really glittery. There, maybe you can see that now. Here we go. Swatch those for you real quick. And that's what they look like on the skin. Let's see, which one should I put on my face? I think I'm gonna put Gamma Ray. Let's see how this brush works with her own highlighters. Whoa. Holy shit. Bam. A lot more pigmented than I actually expected. That's... wow. Wow, much more than I expected. But if you're going for a look like that, that'd be cool. Like going out a night on the town, New Year's, whatever. You know what? Let's just put the excess up there because let's go for it. Now that I'm looking crazy, this is actually really, really cool. Definitely not for every day. Obviously, if you go a little lighter handed in it, it's not going to quite look like that. Pa-pow! But nicer than I expected. This really, really soft. It's not chalky. Feels really good on the skin. I'm actually pretty impressed. Nice job, Kat Von D. Not sure why this is on clearance on Sephora. Let's see what else is in this bag. We have Everlasting Liquid Lipstick in the shade Double Dare. Oh, this is actually really pretty. It's one of her more wearable shades. Looks like this. It looks darker on camera than it actually does in person. I'm gonna swatch it. Yeah, that's really pretty. It's like a brownish pink. This one right here. Definitely more for an everyday look. I could definitely get some use out of that. And her lip formulas are actually really, really very comfortable. At least this lip formula. I've never tried that other one, but this lip formula is really, really comfortable, and I do enjoy wearing them, and they last a long time. All right, let's see what else is in here. I think we are getting to the bottom of the bag. Okay, we got a sample of the Go Big or Go Home mascara, and also a sample size of her standard tattoo liner. I also did get another one of each of these for buying X amount on her website. So that was kind of weird that that got thrown in the bag. There is one more item in here. Ba-bam! It is the glitter gel for face and body. Kat Von D Crushes. Another one of her type products that I've never actually tried. Let's see. I'll open it up for you guys. Packaging looks like that. Oh, that is moist. That is very moist. Look at that. It's very mousse-like. I don't think that you're going to need very much of this. Let's see. Wow. Whoa, buddy. That's just pure gold pigment right there. It's actually really, really pretty. Let's see how it blends. I guess I could see how that could go on the body. It spreads out pretty good and moves around pretty nicely. It has a little bit of a paint smell. It's not terrible, but it does smell a little bit like, smells like body paint actually. Okay. And that is everything. So I'm not sure the total value of the box. I guess a lot of these items that I did get in this bag are sale items both on her website and on Sephora. So if you go for the total retail, I don't know if you'd want to go for their sale price or their actual retail price back in the day when these items first came out. I'm not sure. I just know that I paid, I think this was on sale for $15. This I got for $10 at TJ Maxx. I think she also sells it for $10 on her website. The lipsticks I think are $18, something like that along those lines. Her brushes are like $30. The mirror is $30. And I paid $65 for the box or the bag, whatever you want to call it. So is it good value? It's a fair value. I'm definitely not like raging about what I got. I'll get a lot of use out a fair number of these items. So, I mean, it's cool. I'm happy with it. Well, what do you guys think? You think it was worth $65? I know Kat Von D's not the most popular girl on the block right now, but what do you think? You think that was worth what I got? What's my favorite thing in the bag? Honestly, it's probably the mirror. The mirror is really slick. I mean, that's a really awesome, weird shaped mirror. It actually kind of looks like one of my warped tattoos that I have on my back, which one of these days I will show you guys. What's your favorite thing in the bag? Let me know. Thoughts, comments, complaints, constructive criticism, what have you. Leave it all down below. And if you like these types of videos and want to see more of them, please like, subscribe, ring the bell, and that is all the torture I have for you today. Thank you very much, guys, and I'll see you next time.